Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to use Pine script in TradingView. Add, run and edit the Pine script. So to run the Pine script, you can firstly open the Pine editor. Here you will see on your sidebar of your screen, the pyramid icon is called Pine editor. Once you tap on it, it will open the Pine editor. Now here you will see the untitled script page will be open where you can easily add your own script. Once you add your own script, after that you can click on save. Once you click on save, name your script like my first EMA script and then click on save. After clicking on save, here it will gives one error. So you can firstly fix this error. After fixing, you can click on publish the script and then click on add to chart. Okay, so after that, once you publish it, then after you can open your indicator, and now here you will see your script here. Okay, here you will see my first EMA means my indicator will be applied here. Okay, so here is how you can easily use the Pine script editor. Also here, once you click on drop down, you have many options like make a copy of the script, rename the script. You can create a new script for strategies or indicators. Here you will see you can here also create strategies, save and publish it. Okay, or here you can easily manage your scripts. Okay, like this. So I hope you will understand it easily. Goodbye.